Hey guys, Kevin Auto Insider here. So today we have this NISSAN Note. So the current complaint of misfire and multiple misfire, and this is the ECU for the car. Okay, so after diagnosing, we found that it has an issue with ignition coils for number 2 and 3. So we went down to dig the issue, and now here we are solving it together with you. This for NISSAN Note, you can see this is the cover. So after there we went to the car and test the computer. This year we are compiling the harness. So it had a short circuit for the ignition coils, and that's how it do the ignition coil issue. So you see we are testing now, and you see the car is now running fine. And in case you have an issue with your ECU, you need programming, you can reach out to us. Here we had not crossed the main manifold very well, but we are testing to see if it works. You see now the car is now running fine. We do this at a very affordable rate. In case you have an issue, remember to reach out to